Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. I greet you according to your time. This is early morning on Saturday, 7 o'clock in the morning. So I just have to wake up early because in the afternoon I'm going to church. Before I start my day, I just have to thank Baba God for waking us up this morning. We sleep and wake up, it is under his grace, So before I start, I make my bed. I don't make my bed, arrange them small like that before I go start. Open my window, so I'll carry myself enter bathroom, make I go brush my teeth. I don't go fit swallow spit if I not brush, so I have to clean my mouth before I go start the necessary thing. So I don't carry myself enter kitchen. I say I make coffee, make I take coffee. Coffee now they give that strength. I know they eat breakfast. Now coffee be my breakfast. As you can see. So my coffee done ready. I dey eat brown sugar. I know they eat white sugar. Brown sugar I dey eat. I don't want I don't want fat. I don't know why they run for fat. So this one na my morning look. See my face, Jesus. See my face. So this one are beans. When I soak overnight, I go to wash and make I remove the skin, come off for the beans before we go get down to the normal video, the reason why we are here today. Okay, so I don't clean the beans, I don't wash and finish. Now I go to blend down, add down for inside blender, put one pepper, blend down together. Because of my kids, I know they put too much pepper. As I dey blend, I can't notice the thing too much because they disturb my blender. I just have to remove some. I blend down 2 times before the thing gets smooth. Okay, I don't want to damage my blender. So I go to put the second one, make I blend down before I go start the main thing. My people, one thing when I notice these days, so if many people they do akara, oh my God, they add many things. Some people go add hot dog, some people go add vegetable, some people go they add many things, even add green beans inside akara. Chai, my people, what are we preparing? Not be akara where me know where would they grow up. Akara is just make them with onions, as in pepper and salt. That is how we used to make akara those days. If you had on all those things join akara, my person, not be akara you they do. You are preparing izobo. I mean, if you are from my nation, you go understand the meaning of izobo. That one not be akara. Akara is a simple way. Just clean your beans and make use of your pepper and onions and salt. Akara is good to go. As I do my akara, I can play one music for the background. I can't they shake, but the thing move me. I don't feel beer. I say because I use it to small exercise. Okay, me I love play. I love dancing. So akara don't they ready? As you can see, is giving Mama Okoro akara. I can say make we download down with agege bread. We have been eating agege bread for days now, and my daughter said, "Mommy, I don't want agege bread. I want burger bread to eat mine." Oh my God, she's tired of agege bread. So I don't give them their own because akara, if you dey fry and they eat and they sweet. As we dey fry and we dey eat, here na my own. I can say make I mix am with small slice of bread. I don't want expand because if I eat bread, I don't hear am for body. I go dey expand. So our video don't end, my people. Thank you. Tell me what you think about this akara. Bye.